Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Segment for CDP data, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Segment for CDP data, first, visit the Segment website at segment.com. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. You will be redirected to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the security requirements. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Select your organization type from the drop-down menu. If you don't see your organization type, click on the other option. Once you have completed all required fields, review the terms of service. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. After submitting the form, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click the verification link provided. You will be directed back to Segment where you can log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to set up your workspace. Enter a name for your workspace that represents your organization. Choose the appropriate region for your data center location. After filling in the necessary information, click on Create Workspace. You will now see your new workspace dashboard. Navigate through the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To start using Segment, you'll need to add sources and destinations. Click on the Add Source button to connect your first source of data. Select the type of source you wish to integrate, such as a website or mobile app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration of your source. Once your source is connected, click on Add Destination. Choose from the various destinations that you want to send data to. Integrate each destination following the provided instructions. After setting everything up, review your configurations to ensure everything is correct. You are now ready to start collecting and managing your CDP data with Segment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.